Hello, my name is Susaguro. I'm going to discuss the ethical benefits and issues with reverse engineering for both software products and normal products. First, we have to actually know what reverse engineering is. Reverse engineering is the process of taking a software or hardware and breaking it down to its basic functionalities or code in order to create a better product or fix the current flaws that the current product has. The standard that I'm going to be using is the ACM standard, which is the computer standard that's used by all technical professions. The purpose of reverse engineering would be either to update current product, create alternative product, or fix the flaws such as security, bugs, and several other issues that can be helped or benefit from reverse engineering. I'm going to be discussing both the ethical and unethical sides. On the ethical side, we would have innovation. Innovation would be creating of a new software or hardware product. Also on the ethical side, we also have enhancing of securities by finding the flaws. On the unethical side, we will have diminishment of security. Also on the unethical side, we would have copies of the original product. Alright, let's talk about the promotes innovation. Promotes innovation of new products is essential in society because it creates newer products that are more efficient, which in turn lets the users become more effective in conducting their daily lives. Because if we do not have innovation, then we do not have growth. The next good ethical issue that I'm going to discuss is enhancing of the security. Enhancing of the security is done by the process of breaking down the software or breaking down the physical product to its basic functionalities and then building on top of that product to enhance its physical safety to the user or by implementing a code or patch that will prevent a bug or virus to be infected into the system. Now, by doing this, we prevent physical data or the user's important information or even harm to the user, which is actually one of the ACM's major standards that they do. It should not harm people. By doing that, we secure all the users' data and information, which later on in turn makes a happy user. The On the bad side, which I'm going to discuss now, would be diminishment of security because of reverse engineering. Because while you're conducting the process of reverse engineering, which is breaking down the software product, you will uncover flaws in the product or software. If those flaws are not fixed or corrected, it can potentially be an entry point for the hackers. An example of this current dilemma, which is the iPhone backdoor dilemma. The iPhone backdoor dilemma is about Apple creating such a software or implementing into their devices, the iPhones, a backdoor to basically let the NSA hack any Apple device they feel the need to prevent criminal acts. Now, this is a very, very huge uh, problem, because if Apple were to create such a backdoor, and if that backdoor were to ever be released into the wrong hands, then we would have several millions, if not billions, of people's information, pictures, addresses, locations, pretty much your whole life out in the open if a hacker were to get that such software from Apple. Because Apple does not want to create this such software because they cannot guarantee the safety of the device that they will create, causing them to disagree with the NSA. Another problem that can arise from reverse engineering is copies. Copies of current product we have nowadays. The duplication of current products really pretty much do not improve society. They will improve current tech, but only by such small amounts that it won't really affect society in itself. Unlike innovation, which innovation will take a very basic phone, let's say example BlackBerry, and they will go ahead and create a Samsung S5 or whatever other product they will can create from using similar technology, but they will implement such features that will not it will be a small change in current product. So you would have several copies of phone, like from the iPhone 5, the 6, the 6S, 6 Plus. It's very small changes which do not promote growth in society. Just like innovation, innovation will promote an extreme amount of growth. Now, in conclusion, there this is what I've wanted to discuss about reverse engineering. Now, feel free to leave comments on this subject, any thoughts, point of views, and that's pretty much it.